Want Windows to clean junk files automatically? You can do it with Task Scheduler. First, click the Start button, type Disk Cleanup and open it. Select your C drive. Choose the files you want to clean and click OK. Now close Disk Cleanup. Next, click the Start button again, search for Task Scheduler and open it. Click Create Basic Task, give it a name like Automatic Disk Cleanup. Click Next. Choose how often you want it to run, weekly or monthly is a good choice. Set the day and time, click Next. Choose Start a Program. In the program box, type cleanmgr.exe, then click Next. Review the settings and click Finish. To test it, open Task Scheduler library, find your task, right click it and click Run. That's it. Now Windows will clean unnecessary files automatically on your schedule. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.